Yeah, I think I'm going back to 21. Oh, my fucking pipe came off. That ain't no good. Yeah, that's that pipe dead over the fire. Fuck it, I ain't got no pipe on there. Well, hell with it. They ain't sending me back in the house that easy. There's my damn pipe. But I'm gonna go back to the 21. This is a 22 right here. If anybody was watching when I made the flywheel for this thing right here, I put holes in the fins, which I did all of mine, but this one right here drew more heat. The carburetor actually heat soaked, so I went back to the drawing board. I put up a video probably at the end of this, how I did the next flywheel. But the shroud, I trimmed it up. You see how I used to have a hangover and stuff? I took it off so the air can blow straight off. And you see right here what I did with the pull start. I actually opened the holes and my finger could actually fit through all them. Because mine's 30.5. When I hit the gas, the wind, the air that you could feel from is probably 3 feet away. I mean, like blows in your eyes. This one wasn't doing it. And of course, it's drawing more heat because it's a bigger cylinder, bigger piston. So I did this. Now it feels the same way. So she getting plenty of cooling air. This is the second time it happened to me. I Loctite and everything. I got to figure out a better way to support it. And you see that the pipe vibrated off again. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that one. But she ain't vibrating like she was. I don't know. I just got to do something about it. But like I said, 771 snapper clutch, 22 pinion. I'm taking the 22 off. I'm going to go back to my 21. I like that super greasy power. That one tooth means a lot. Y'all didn't see this run, but I broke the pins inside here. So I put bigger pins in there. But you know that's hardened steel, so you need a diamond bit. And you got to step it up bit by bit till you get the right size. I'll probably put a tutorial out for that one so people with DBXLs can go through that, can do the same thing. And you know right here, I got a 6mm in my modded one. Not a 4, not a 5, but a 6. I'll show you how to do that. Because I know people with DBXLs and this get tired of breaking pins. My 6mm been in there for about 2 years and I never had a problem. I never had a problem. That, and it don't even look worn. Like that's how I was holding up. It don't even look worn. But I'm gonna change all the pins in here. Me personally, people probably don't do this, but I take CVDs up front. No, the CVDs, I put them in the back because you want to take away as much slack as you can. As much slack. So all my DBXLs have CVDs in the back. And you know, because that kind of tightens up the, y'all know what I'm talking about with the pins and the cups and stuff. It tightens it up. And I never have a problem, so I'm going to put some CVDs back here. But this one right here, she must be mad that I flipped her. Because she always give me problems, man. This one always give me problems. But yeah, but she's running pretty good. But y'all see, I was running without a pipe the whole time like this, man. Well, most of the time, just like y'all seen when the pipe came off. But I'll figure it out. I'll get it right. I don't care if I gotta put double nuts on there or something. Cause I got a hex right here, and which call, of course, y'all need for these pipes right here. You can't use a hex. You gotta use nuts. But I'll probably put 2 nuts on there to help lock it on there. And this one right here, I'll probably do the same thing. Put the stem like that and put 2 nuts. Lock tight and everything so it don't come off. But I'm going to have to figure this out right here. Maybe if I put a bolt all the way through and put a nut on the back of it, I don't know. But something I have to give because I mean, I could be traveling far to go run with some people, and this crap right here be happening. It's all about trial and error, you know. But yeah, if anybody got any questions, man, you know, feel free to ask.